we're about to make the dressing for the fish. We've got red pepper slice, carrots, julienne, green bell pepper, onion, and now I'm going to put the notorious Scotch bonnet pepper, which is supposed to be the hottest pepper around. I don't know if that is true, but that's what Jamaicans think anyway. But you have to be very careful, because if it gets in your eye, it's very dangerous. So it's best if you use a glove. I'm using a paper napkin right now.
So you just don't want to get this on your fingers?
No, you don't want to get this on your fingers, and you don't want to get the seeds in the dressing. That should be enough for your... What do we call this spoon?
2 tablespoons.
2 tablespoons. And the vinegar is good. What is this? This is 4 ounces of vinegar.
So about 2/3 of a cup for these 6 pieces of fish. Yeah. So 3 fish cut in 2.
Half a cup?
Yeah.
Maybe it was tipped to this side, that's why.
Okay, so half a cup of vinegar, 2 tablespoons of the oil that was used to fry the fish.
Yes.
And this is for 6 pieces of fish, which are actually 3 fish cut in half.
Yeah.
So then you bring the oil and the vinegar to a boil.
Yes. A handful of carrots. Put the carrots in first because they need a little more cooking.
But how long do you leave them in for first?
A minute. Just to give it a little head start on that. Now you have to taste this if it's enough salt. You have to add salt. You have to add some salt. Pepper sauce, just about a teaspoon.
The pepper sauce.
Yes.
Does it matter what pepper sauce? I know that's a very well-known
Yeah, it doesn't matter which
Caribbean McCook's pepper sauce, West Indian pepper sauce, which is uses the red bonnet peppers.
Yes. A few seeds of pimento.
Okay. Now the pimento is something that you can find in Jamaica, but where do you get it here?
You get it at any West Indian store. They do too, yeah. I've seen them in there. You put the onion in? I'm going to put the onion in now.
You forgot to put the red bonnet pepper in.
Scotch bonnet.
Sorry, Scotch bonnet. That's red bonnet pepper.
But it doesn't matter what time I'm going. The later the better.
Just make sure that you don't let it touch your hands.
That's right.
And so you'd say you want to simmer it for about 3 minutes or so until the onion is transparent.
Put a little, another tablespoon of oil in there.
Okay.
It's just about
Okay,
ready
so
now.
you're spooning it over the...
Yes. This is the artistic touch.
Yeah.
Appeal to the palate. Hey, here's the masterpiece. Fish fried, dressing made, escovitch dressing made, and fish decorated. Faye's masterpiece.